How to fix BeReal post not uploading. If your BeReal post is stuck or failing to upload, it is typically due to poor internet connections or temporary app glitch. So what here you need to do is, first of all, you could simply swipe down from the top and you want to make sure to long press the airplane mode, and you could enable this for a while as well. After which you also want to make sure to exit out, open up settings on your device, and make sure to go to apps from the list and go to BeReal and go to storage and cache and simply clear your cache as well. After you've done that, you could also go ahead and check for an update. So simply head over to your app store, tap the search bar and type in BeReal, and make sure to update the app to the latest version as well. After you've done that, if the issue still persists on, what you could also do is you could also go ahead and launch open BeReal, and you could also go ahead and simply close this app or log out and then restart your device by holding onto your side button. That should also definitely help you out to fix BeReal post not uploading. So with that, we've completed our steps. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.